Mastering Parsvottanasana, the pyramid pose. Welcome to today's yoga tutorial, where we will explore Parsvottanasana, or pyramid pose. This standing posture invites both strength and serenity, blending flexibility and balance. Ready your mat, and let's dive into this grounding pose that can transform your practice from the inside out. Begin by standing tall in Tadasana, mountain pose, grounding your feet firmly into the mat. Take a deep breath, setting your intention to remain calm and focused. From here, step your left foot back about 3 feet, creating a stable base while keeping your hips square to the front of the mat. Align your feet in a pyramid-like shape. The back foot should point slightly forward, while the front foot remains straight. Keep your hands on your hips to feel the alignment. Slowly inhale, rooting through your legs, and prepare your entire body to fold deeply. As you exhale, hinge at your hips to fold forward over your extended front leg. Keep your spine long and your chest open, avoiding any rounding of the back. Your hands can rest on your shin, the floor, or blocks to support this stretch. Engage your core to stabilize the lower body while creating space in the hamstrings and lower back. Allow your head to relax, staying mindful of your breath. Each exhale helps release tension, encouraging deeper flexibility and focus. In Parsvottanasana, alignment is key. Keep your hips square to the front while avoiding overextension in your knees. Micro-bend the front knee if needed to protect your joints. If balance feels challenging, shorten your stance slightly or use a wall for extra support. For added shoulder opening, consider clasping your hands behind your back in reverse prayer. This variation deepens the stretch and elevates the pose's calming effects. Take your time. This is your practice, and every small adjustment matters. Parsvottanasana can improve posture, lengthen tight muscles, and enhance overall balance. Its grounding nature promotes calmness, helping to release both physical and mental tension. Whether you're prepping for a deeper practice or winding down after a long day, this pose connects you to your breath and body. As you rise out of pyramid pose, take a moment to feel the difference in your body and energy. With each practice, you'll build a sense of strength and inner peace. Parsvottanasana is more than a stretch. It's a reminder to find stillness within movement. Thank you for joining today's journey through Parsvottanasana. If you found this tutorial helpful, share, and subscribe for more yoga content. Let's continue building a world of balance and mindfulness together, one pose at a time. See you on the mat